my god! What the heck?
40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Yoder and Rush. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant weather advisory for northeastern El Paso County until 5:30 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Peyton, or 25 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Pea-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles an hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Cowhead, Peyton, and Rush. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has...
Wow, we got a severe thunderstorm warning, guys. I am back. Let's go.